Hello guys, and right now I have a lot of coins, so we're gonna open these 2 players packs, and then we're gonna open the rest of my money on pro packs. So last time I did these players packs, they did very well to me. Oh, Jordy Nelson, a lead in the first pack. Steven Gostowski. That's good. Okay, so we got this. Let's take a screenshot. And guys, you guys may see that I'm having 89 offense, but that is not like I was trying this glitch and it didn't update team. That's nice. Hopefully it isn't in the place where the thing is, because I have a decent team. No way. Let's go. Okay, so now we're going to spend the rest of our moolah on them pro packs. So that's really awesome. Like, beyond awesome. Okay. Nothing there. Do you guys think they'll have like an Easter promo? Because I kind of want them to have more promos. Because the last promo, the Christmas one, I didn't like know as much about Madden Mobile at that time. So I didn't really do anything with the Christmas promo. So I hope they'll be doing something again. Guys, please subscribe. I hope you are enjoying the content I am putting out. And if you guys want anything else, just suggest it. Bruce Smith collectible. Decent. Probably goes for 5K. Got my money back on that pack because of the Cordell Patterson also. And nothing really that we're getting. I can't believe we got the 94 Chris Matthews. Just amazing. He's pretty rare too, I think. And let's go right there. 81. We didn't do as good as I did last time because of I got tons and tons of elites last time. And if you guys want to donate coins or anything so I can like use them on my vids, that would be great. Like, amazing. And the best way to contact me is to kick me. My kick will be in the description below. Or Instagram me at Madden__mobile_ranger. Link will be in the description. I'm getting nothing out of these pro packs so far. Dang it. You got an Ahmad Brooks collectible. Probably just sort of 15K maybe. Come on, elite. God dang it. Looks like we'll be getting nothing here. Got that. Okay, couple more packs left, guys. I really hope we can clutch out an elite in one of these packs. Come on, 2 more packs, I think. Maybe 3. Bam. No. Okay, I think 1 more after this. Yeah. So, reveal all. No, we can't get. But hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If not, please tell me why and leave suggestions below. Don't forget my kick will be in the description below, and my Instagram will also. And bye.